Here we are going to be making use of AutoCAD to bisect a given line. So that means we are going to work on bisection of any given line. So I'm going to bisect a line 60 millimeters. So we need to make sure we activate the auto mode. Then I'm going to draw the line. So the line is of length 60 millimeters. So this is 60. So enter, and then I'm going to, okay, so we have the line here like this, okay. So the next thing that we are going to do is to bisect the line, but before that, so I'm going to label the ends of the line. I'm going to label the ends of the line. So the height of the letter is 2 and the rotation angle is 0. So I have a point here. This is point A. And then this is end B of the line. So, and then, all right, so I need to, so repeat that. So we have the height is 2, and then the rotation angle is 0. Okay, so I'm going to put one point B here. So this is point B. Okay, so then we escape this. All right, so we have the line. So we want to bisect it to come to what? Come to this arc, and we are selecting this particular arc, center, start, and length, center, start, length. So we select this. So at this point A here, so I will extend it to a length that is greater than half of AB. So I will take it up like this. So I'm going to give it a length of 40. So 40 is okay for me. So it goes in this direction. Okay, so then I will also take the arc. Okay, so we take the arc here. So from A again, so it comes down here. So it is also 40. So we have 40 length of 40. So it goes up here. So like this. Okay, so then we also take the arc here. So coming to point B, so and it goes up like this, okay? So length 40, so length 40. Okay, so I need to take it again. Okay, so from point B, so it goes up. Okay, so I will give it length 40, so enter, so it goes like this. Okay, so we have this point, and then I'm going to take it again. So center, start, length. So we take it from B and it goes in this direction. So, and then we have what? We have 40 again, length 40, so enter. All right, so we have this, so that's it. So what we have to do now is to draw a line through the point of intersection of the arcs. And to do that, so we come to line and we draw from here. So from this center, okay, so down to this center here. Okay, so we have this. So I'm going to extend the bisector. So it goes up here. And then, so we also take it down here. All right, so that's the bisector. So I need to label this point. So I'm going to copy this. So I just copy this. So I'll copy it. Okay, so I'll put off the auto mode and I'm going to drop it here. Okay, so I'll drop it here. Okay, so then I also drop it here and also drop it here. Okay, so this is, I'm going to change that. So I will drop it here. So then I'm going to erase this. So I'm going to edit this letter or the letters. So I will edit it. So this is point C. Okay, so here is point of intersection of the arcs. So we have this to be point D, and this is this point here. I will call it point 4. Okay, so that's all. So we have bisected this line with the use of AutoCAD. As simple as I've done it here, all you have to do is to practice. Thank you. Keep on practicing, and God bless you.